Hey everybody, today I've got a 2017 Volvo XC60 on how to reset the maintenance light. This car's kind of tedious, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Some of the other videos aren't too clear, so I'm going to try to do my best to explain it. So first thing you want to do is right now I have the key on, see the radio's on, and I am looking at the odometer. See how I'm on T2? If your car is not on T2, to change that, you rotate the knob here on the turn signal stock, okay? This is the OK button that we will be using to reset the maintenance light. So now that we're on T2, we're gonna go ahead and cut the ignition back off. And I'm just gonna pop the door open. Now the radio is off. So we're all set to go. Let me set the camera up here on the wheel. You're gonna take your key, put the key in. Now this is the part that's gonna be very fast. You have to do this very fast. We're gonna push the start button, and then immediately we're gonna push the start button and the OK button at the same time, and we're gonna hold it for, it's gonna take at least 10 seconds for a asterisk, no, like an upside down exclamation point to start flashing. So here we go. Press once, OK button, and press the ignition, and just keep holding it. Just keep holding it, and we'll see like an I button start to flash. Once that I button starts to flash, see it flashing, we release the two, and the light has reset. All right, everybody, that's how you do these Volvos. Very tedious. You have to do it very fast. So just remember, have it on the T2, trip 2, then you're going to turn the ignition on, then you're going to turn the ignition on and the OK button on at the same time very quickly, and hold it for 10 seconds till the light starts flashing, the I light, and then it's reset. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos.